Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to activate Go2Bank Debit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in go2bank.com inside the URL box. From the main homepage of go2bank.com, click on Activate your card at the top right corner. Now, fill in your card information. Enter your 16-digit card number that you would like to activate and then type in the expiry date, the security code for your card. After entering all of the necessary information, click on I'm not a robot and click the continue button and follow through the prompts. You'll also need to enter your social security number on the next page. Go ahead and give in all of the information needed and you will then be able to activate your debit card for Go2Bank. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.